the birds, the beasts, and the bat. The birds and beasts declared war at each other. They're at La and La and Tees. So there were reasons there. Some of them were because the goose is being angry at the teeth of the fox, and the bird was bouncing on the hare, and the owl was getting the mice. So so they 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 started the war. But the bats didn't join the birds because even they were birds. Instead, they joined the bees. But the birds were getting a hang of it. So when the war is done, then the birds and beasts rode away the bats. They so the bats just hide on dark towers. Lesson: the deceitful have no friends. A Christmas Carol. In the bleak midwinter, frosty mid moon, earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow, in the bleak midwinter long ago. Our God, heaven cannot hold him, nor earth sustain. Heaven and earth shall flee away when he comes to reign. In the bleak midwinter, a stable place of vice, the Lord God Almighty Jesus Christ is enough for him, whom cherubim worship night and day, a breast full of milk and a manger full of hay. Enough for him, whom angels fall before, the ox and ass and camel which adore her. Angels and archangels may have gathered there, cherubim and seraphim throng the air. But his mother only in her maiden peace worship the beloved with a kiss. What can I give him, poor as I am? If I were a shepherd, I will bring a lamb. If I were a wise man, I will do my part. Yet what can I give him? Give my heart.